Friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 25th to the 31st. And in this ad, it is actually a new month, believe it or not. So we're going to talk about that in a quick second, but lots of hot deals in this one. If you checked your digital coupons folder last Wednesday, this guy showed up, which is a booster from the 25th to the 31st, and this stacks one digital and one paper. Again, guys, the date for that booster is from the 25th to the 31st. You got to get to $25 before coupons. Do not use IVCs or store register rewards or it will mess things up. This is, again, a one-time use, and the paper boosters and the digitals, they tend to stack. Use your debit card, credit card to pay the balance. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay or you will mess things up. Now, as I stated, Monday the 25th will signify a new month, so there will be new monthly deals along with the new August Big Book of Savings. So how exciting is that? There's going to be obviously new deals for us, and it's going to be a great one just from looking at this ad. And just a quick little sneak peek here. If you look at the left hand, that is $1 for the Cottonelle. And look, the 4 mega rolls is $4.99, so it'll be $3.99 all month long. How great is that? First deal that we're going to talk about is a complete freebie, and this is Sunday only. The BIC pens and stationery, 2 for $3. This is the specific one that we're looking for. Here's the digital coupon, guys. Hopefully you loaded it. It's a 3 off of 2 and it expires on Sunday, so you have to do this deal on Sunday the 25th, not negotiable. So grabbing 2 BIC products, they're 2 for $3, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, it's free. And with that digital coupon, it's once per store card, but who doesn't like a little bit of free stationery? Make this happen. What a spectacular deal. Okay, the next little freebie that we have is with the Colgate Dental Care, $4 each. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday, and then $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these. So that shakes this guy out to free. Looking at the math for this one, again, 2 of the Colgates for $8. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital. Let's throw in $4 of Walgreens cash. You're going to pay the tax and get back your $4 of Walgreens cash, making it completely free. Because this is a buy scenario, you can use your Walgreens cash to earn it if you're doing this deal on its own. Now we have a little touch of fancy here with the Nexus. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. For this specific one, you have to use your debit card, credit card for the balance, or cash bills. Don't use Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess things up. So for this specific one, you know what we're going to do, guys, is throw in that booster, which is 5 back when you spend 20. Why not? So we're going to have this guy loaded to our store card for this. And then in your digital coupons folder, we have this very generous 8 off of 2. And if you look below those ones for $11.99, that is the cheapest one. I'm going to recommend to do this one curbside because in store, these shampoos are about $14.99 for one, which is really, really expensive. Okay, so grabbing 2 of the Nexus shampoos at $11.99, that's $23.98. Subtracting that 8 off of 2 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $15.98 out of pocket. Please make sure your 5 back when you spend 20 is loaded to your store card. That $15.98, we're going to charge it to our debit card or credit card, and then we're getting back $15 of Walgreens cash. 10 for the spend 20 and then 5 for the booster. It makes it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per shampoo. That is cheap. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because this is part of their catalog. You will get back some extra points for that. And remember, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one. Okay, now we're going to look at this little dealio. BOGO 50% off, $1 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 for both the men and women's body wash. And then it says Dove Baby Bath Care selected varieties. Interesting. Now, we also have this 3 off of 2 digital. So if you want to utilize it for this deal and you loaded it, let's look at a quick deal. Let's grab 2 of these, the ladies, on a BOGO 50% off for $11.98, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. Let's also throw in $5 of Walgreens cash, pay $3.98, get back your $1 of Walgreens cash, makes it $2.98 for the 2, like $1.49 per. And if you're just doing this deal on its own and you want to use your Walgreens cash, that's totally fine. Now, if you might have received this one, you'd have to grab both a men and a women's, and this is from the savings insert of July the 18th. So again, the same matchup, but grab a men and a women's body wash, $11.98. Subtracting that BOGO free, I believe $6.49 will come off. You're left with paying $5.49, getting back $1 of Walgreens cash. You know, not the worst little deal here. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash with this deal, if you wish, you can absolutely do that if you're doing this deal on its own. Okay, so here's a little promotion of $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 or more of the participating products. These are $3 for these Crest, Oral-B, These Good products. We still have a lot of coupons that don't expire, including this 3 off of 2. So if you want to utilize this specific coupon, here's a deal for you. Grabbing 2 tubes of the Crest toothpaste, that's 6 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying 3 out of pocket, getting back $4 of Walgreens cash. A very tiny money maker. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, it's totally fine. Now, in that same promotion of buy 2, get $4 of Walgreens cash, this is also part of it, and these are 2 for $8 for the soft soap or Irish Spring. If you want to get 1 of each, or 2 soft soaps, or 2 Irish Springs, you can also do that, or mix and match. Now, remember last week we were getting that Angel Soft, and we have this $3 off register reward. Let's throw that into the mix for this deal and put it into something to make some Walgreens cash. So grabbing 2 of the soft soaps, that's 8, subtracting that $3 register reward, we're paying 5 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. It makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per body wash. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. Now, if you were so lucky and got the Smart Source of July the 18th and might have this, you would utilize 2 of these, and it would be like 2 for 2 or $1 per body wash. That 3 off of 2, just a little bit extra savings because you have that extra $1. Okay, now we're going to look at this little Schick disposable deal. When you spend $20, you get back $5. That's a spend one, so you got to pay cash for the balance. So debit card, credit card, you name it. Let's pair it with this guy. We have this digital coupon, and then let's use 1 register reward, which is this guy. And then over on IBOTTA, I believe on Sunday this should possibly still be there, which is a $2 back for the Schick disposable. The limit is 2. Grabbing 4 of these disposable razors at $5.99, that's $23.96. Remember, we have our booster loaded of spend 20, get back 5, 1 $3 digital. We're going to present 1 $6 register reward. You're paying $14.96. Charge that to your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, 5 for spending 20 on Schick, 5 for the booster, plus IBOTTA, 2 times 2 equals 4. You're going to get that rebate back twice, so it's $4 back with IBOTTA. It makes it 96 cents for the 4, which is a really great price point for these razors. It's dirt cheap if you can line it up perfectly. And also, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Okay, the Downy Tide Simply That Good Stuff is $2.99. There will be a $1 digital coupon starting on Sunday, so it'll drop it down to $1.99. It's a very good price point for Downy. Tide Simply in Pods, that elusive $2 coupon is finally making it an appearance, so it'll drop it down to $2.99 per product. The Scott toilet paper, paper towel, and Kleenex will be $5. We have a $1.25 IVC in the new big buck, dropping it down to $3.75. And all of these cereals, $1.88. I know we have a 3 off of 5 plus a 50-cent digital. $1.38 or much cheaper depending how much you want to buy. Also, IBOTTA, what will the rebates be on Sunday morning? You're going to have to double, triple check to see what works for you and what's available and what you like in your household. Lots of these rebates, though, were expiring really quick for me, so I didn't do a matchup for this one. Now, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Back to school time, we have 99 cents for all these different dividers, staplers, that good stuff, and then 49 cents for the erasers and all those other goodies. Now we have a limited edition Kit Kat, which is fruity cereal. How cool is that? If you like fruity cereal, this might be something to pick up for 88 cents. And then also the pop deal of the week, 3 for $9.99 for the 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, A&W, those good beverages. We have a 2 for $8 for the Oscar Mayer Bacon or Jimmy Dean, great deal. We also have a 2 for $4 with the Jif or Smuckers, which is really good. And then this little deal, when you buy 2 of these, you're going to get back a $5 Walgreens gift card. So if you love to shop at Kohl's, this might be something to look into. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.